Number 1, ignore her too. When faced with the bitter sting of being ignored, one courageous path is to mirror their indifference. Though it may seem counterintuitive, this Stoic approach can yield powerful results in most cases. Transform this challenge into a golden opportunity for personal growth and self-discovery. When someone's silence speaks volumes, resist the urge to let it define you. Instead, embrace it as your chance to radiate with the luminous qualities of patience and wisdom. Rather than echoing their apathy, embark on an enlightening odyssey of introspection and emotional fortitude. Delve deep within yourself to unearth your core values, focus intently on your own actions, and cultivate a profound sense of emotional independence. Remember, this is not a petty game of vying for fleeting attention. No, it is a noble quest to master the art of inner tranquility and unwavering self-control. In the grand theater of life, you are the brilliant playwright crafting your own narrative. Pen your story with the indelible ink of dignity, resilience, and sagacity. Allow this moment to serve as a catalyst, propelling you towards a more empowered and stoically enlightened version of yourself. Number 2, don't react emotionally. When faced with the cold shoulder from a woman or man, the flames of emotion can threaten to engulf us. Yet, the wisest course is to remain an unshakable pillar of composure. The Stoic approach to such trials emphasizes the paramount importance of maintaining a serene disposition and unassailable emotional resilience. When confronted with the void of being ignored, Stoicism beckons us to embark on an inward journey of reflection rather than succumbing to the tempest of emotional reactivity. Cultivating an oasis of tranquility within is essential, as is the practice of empathetic understanding. Focus your energies on heightening your self-awareness and respond with the nobility of dignity and respect. For instance, if someone's silence greets you, Stoic wisdom implores you to extend the olive branch of friendliness and politeness, without harboring expectations of a particular response. You can gently inquire if something is amiss and express openness to conversation, but do so without exerting pressure or seeking validation. If their silence persists, remain an unperturbed bastion of calm and opt to act with moral rectitude, steering clear of vexation or displays of weakness. Instead, shift your gaze inward and concentrate on your own conduct. Exude an aura of strength, unshakable self-confidence, and recognize that the behavior of others should not hold sway over your self-image or cherished values. Stoicism imparts the lesson that our power lies in directing our focus to what falls within our control, our own actions and attitudes, and accepting with equanimity that which eludes our grasp, such as the actions of others. This embodies the Stoic ideals of wisdom, justice, courage, and temperance in our interactions with the world. Number 3, remove her from your mind. When a woman's indifference casts a shadow over your thoughts, one path to liberation is to gently release her from your mental landscape. This entails shifting your focus from dwelling on her absence to rediscovering your own radiant presence. Embark on this journey by consciously redirecting your attention inward towards the magnificence of your own being. Craft a luminous tapestry of your aspirations and dreams, and pour your energy into bringing them to fruition. Seek out new hobbies or immerse yourself in projects that set your soul ablaze with passion. Weave precious moments with cherished friends and family into the fabric of your life, savoring the joy and connection they bring. Carve out sacred spaces for self-reflection, delving into the depths of your being to uncover ways to nurture your growth and evolution. As you cultivate this positive mindset and shift your focus to the wonders within and around you, a profound realization will dawn. Her indifference is but a fleeting shadow, insignificant in the radiant light of your own journey. Number 4, demonstrate your value. In the face of being ignored, it can be a formidable challenge to navigate the path forward. One illuminating approach is to let your inherent value shine forth like a beacon in the night. Showcase the scintillating facets of your intelligence, the infectious spark of your humor, and the unshakable foundations of your confidence. Through the lens of Stoic philosophy, encountering situations where you feel overlooked presents a golden opportunity to focus on demonstrating your worth through the embodiment of personal virtues and ethical conduct. Let your actions speak volumes about the depth of your character and the nobility of your spirit. Instead of seeking to dazzle solely through the brilliance of your intellect or the sparkling wit of your humor, Stoicism beckons you to illuminate your inherent value through the radiant qualities of wisdom, kindness, and compassion. For instance, if you find yourself shrouded in the shadow of being ignored within the context of a conversation, seize the opportunity to engage constructively by humbly sharing the treasure trove of your knowledge, responding with the grace of respect, and lending your full presence through attentive listening. Rather than yearning for validation or a specific reaction from the other person, focus your energy on remaining true to the authentic essence of your being and showcasing your strengths in harmonious alignment with the Stoic values of self-improvement and reverence for others. By demonstrating your ability to maintain an unwavering sense of balance and respect, irrespective of the attention or recognition bestowed upon you by others, you embody the Stoic principles of placing emphasis on the cultivation of character and the integrity of personal actions, thereby reflecting the virtues of wisdom and self-control. This approach holds the potential to yield a deeper sense of personal satisfaction and leave an indelible impression on those around you, transcending fleeting moments of acknowledgement. Number 5, cut off contact. When faced with the bitter sting of a woman's indifference, the most prudent course of action is to sever the ties of communication. This entails ceasing all exchanges through the various channels of text messages, phone calls, and any other means of interaction. If circumstances permit, it is wise to distance yourself from her presence as well. For example, summon the resolve to refrain from sending messages and abruptly withdraw from responding to her texts. If your calls are met with the void of silence, cease your attempts to reach out to her. Should you find yourself within the same social circles, avoid engaging in conversation or making direct eye contact with her. Number 6, prove her wrong. When confronted with a woman's disregard, the path forward can be shrouded in uncertainty. Another approach to navigate this challenge is to shatter her misconceptions and demonstrate that you are not defined by her limited perception of you, revealing the untapped depths of your capabilities. For instance, if she harbors doubts about your intellectual prowess in grasping a particular subject, seize the opportunity to showcase your knowledge and understanding of the topic at hand. Catch her off guard with an unexpected anecdote or a cleverly crafted jest. If she perceives you as dull and uninteresting, prove to her that you are not the person being overlooked and that you possess a wealth of untapped potential waiting to be discovered. Should her indifference persist, refrain from internalizing it as a personal affront. Instead, shift your focus inward and dedicate yourself to the noble pursuit of personal growth and self-improvement. Number 7, go out and have fun. In the face of being ignored, venturing out into the world and immersing yourself in the joys of life can serve as an excellent remedy to liberate your mind from the clutches of the situation and redirect your focus towards your own well-being. Begin by engaging in activities that ignite your passion and bring you genuine happiness, whether it be losing yourself in the magic of cinema, immersing yourself in the thrill of sports, or simply embarking on a leisurely stroll through the tranquil beauty of a park. Surround yourself with the uplifting presence of your friends, as their company can help maintain a positive outlook and serve as a gentle reminder of your inherent worth. If the weight of melancholy still lingers, consider exploring a new culinary experience or attending an event that breaks the monotony of your routine, opening the door to the possibility of forging new connections and encountering fresh perspectives. Number 8, build your social status. Through the lens of Stoic philosophy, the pursuit of elevating one's social status is not a mere means to impress or garner the admiration of others, but rather a noble path towards personal development and meaningful contribution to the larger community. When confronted with the challenge of being ignored, Stoicism encourages us to channel our energy into the realms of self-improvement and active engagement with our surroundings. Engaging in activities such as regular exercise, cultivating hobbies that ignite our passion, acquiring new skills, advancing our professional endeavors, dedicating time to volunteer work, and forging connections through networking are all viewed as powerful tools for nurturing our character and making a positive impact on society. Share your experiences and interests with authenticity, not driven by the desire to attract attention, but fueled by the genuine intention to forge meaningful connections with individuals and communities who share similar passions. This approach aligns seamlessly with the Stoic values of personal growth, contributing to the greater good, and fostering relationships built on a foundation of mutual respect and common interests. Therefore, when embarking on the journey of building your social status, let your intentions be guided by the noble pursuits of self-improvement and making a positive difference, rather than solely as a strategic ploy to enhance your appeal in the eyes of others. Number 9, act as if she doesn't exist. When faced with the bitter sting of being ignored, another course of action is to conduct yourself as if the person in question simply does not exist. This entails refraining from initiating conversations or engaging in direct eye contact with them, instead redirecting your attention towards seeking out alternative individuals to interact with. For instance, if you find yourself at a social gathering, seize the opportunity to strike up a conversation with someone else, consciously avoiding the woman who has chosen to ignore your presence. Should the necessity arise to interact with her, maintain a professional and courteous demeanor, steering clear of personal topics that could potentially ignite a confrontational exchange. If her indifference persists, resist the urge to respond or react, and simply remove yourself from the situation with grace and composure. Bear in mind that it is often more prudent to move forward and redirect your energy elsewhere than to expend effort attempting to mend a situation over which you hold no control. Number 10, give her the silent treatment. Another approach to navigating the complex terrain of being ignored is to reciprocate with the silent treatment. By choosing not to respond, you convey the message that you will not be swayed by their disregard. However, Stoicism offers a reinterpretation of this tactic, shifting the focus from using silence as a means to elicit a reaction or prove a point, to embracing it as an opportunity for introspection and emotional self-regulation. When the urge arises to employ the silent treatment, Stoicism encourages us to utilize that space for deep reflection, delving into the depths of our thoughts and emotions, seeking to understand them with unwavering clarity and composure. It emphasizes the importance of responding, or choosing not to respond, in a manner that aligns with our personal virtues and integrity, rather than as a calculated strategy to manipulate the other person's behavior. This approach fosters a sense of inner peace and self-control, embodying the core tenets of Stoic values, while steering clear of engaging in actions that may be perceived as manipulative or vengeful. Thus, if you opt for silence, let it be a practice of introspection and personal growth, rather than a ploy to sway the other person's actions. In doing so, you embody the wisdom and temperance championed by Stoicism, focusing on the cultivation of your own character and inner development. Number 11, don't beg for attention. In the face of being ignored, resist the temptation to plead for acknowledgement or validation. Instead, conduct yourself in a manner that conveys to her the sense that she is missing out on something truly valuable. According to Stoic principles, the response to situations where someone is ignored should focus on personal satisfaction and emotional independence, instead of seeking tactics to make others feel like they are losing something or demonstrating self-confidence through derogatory comments. Stoicism advises maintaining dignity and self-respect by demonstrating confidence and self-sufficiency, not as a means to affect others' perception, but as a reflection of one's own worth and stability. Encouragement is given to find fulfillment in one's own activities and interests, staying true to personal values and interacting with others authentically without the need for external validation. Therefore, instead of begging for attention or trying to show that someone is losing something, concentrate on developing your self-confidence and finding satisfaction in your own achievements. This reflects Stoic values of wisdom, self-control, and focus on what is within one's own power, attitudes, and personal actions. Number 12, be kind but emotionally distant. When faced with the bitter sting of being ignored, resist the temptation to internalize it as a personal affront or unleash your frustrations upon the other person. The appropriate response to such situations involves navigating the delicate balance of acting with kindness while maintaining a healthy emotional distance. This approach emphasizes the Stoic practice of not taking things personally and preserving one's composure in the face of adversity. It is advised to acknowledge the person with politeness and warmth, such as extending a sincere wish for a pleasant day or offering a cordial greeting, without harboring any expectations of reciprocation. Encouragement is given to demonstrate emotional detachment, not as a manifestation of indifference, but as a reflection of inner peace and self-sufficiency. This approach aligns seamlessly with the Stoic principles of focusing on what lies within our control, namely our personal responses and emotions, while accepting with equanimity that which is beyond our influence, such as the actions of others. The Stoic philosophy advocates for a balanced interaction, combining kindness with a healthy emotional boundary, reflecting the timeless ideals of wisdom, self-control, and respect for oneself and others. Number 13, don't let her see that you're struggling. In the face of being ignored, the most detrimental course of action is to openly reveal your internal turmoil and struggle. Instead, summon the strength to maintain a calm demeanor and proceed with your life as if unaffected by the situation. The appropriate way to navigate such circumstances is to embody composure and self-confidence, demonstrating that your sense of identity remains unshaken by the actions or attitudes of others. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of cultivating internal stability and self-assurance, advocating for polite and respectful behavior in all interactions, free from aggression or confrontation. This approach is deeply rooted in the Stoic values of emotional resilience, wisdom, and integrity, encouraging a response that reflects personal strength and stability rather than visibly reacting to external circumstances. By embodying this mindset, you convey the powerful message that your confidence and security are firmly grounded in your own character, independent of the recognition or validation of others. In our relentless pursuit to decipher the intricacies of intentions and forge authentic connections, a profound realization emerges from the depths of our being. You are deserving of relationships built upon the sturdy foundations of reciprocity and respect. As we conclude this journey of self-discovery and philosophical exploration, I extend a warm invitation for you to join our vibrant community and continue delving into the transformative teachings of Stoicism together. Your presence and insights are invaluable in this shared quest for wisdom and personal growth. If this video has ignited a spark within you, illuminating the path towards a wiser and more meaningful approach to love and relationships, I encourage you to seize this moment and take the next step in your journey. Subscribe to our channel, activate the notification bell to stay informed about future content, and share your thoughts and reflections in the comments below. If you find yourself at a loss for words, simply type mind over body as a testament to your completion of this video and your commitment to integrating these Stoic principles into your life. Your unwavering support is the lifeblood that sustains and propels this journey of discovery and continuous learning. Always remember that the key to cultivating healthier and more enriching relationships lies in the power of recognition, the courage to take action, and above all, an unwavering respect for yourself and others. Embrace the wisdom of Stoicism, for it holds the potential to transform not only your relationships, but every facet of your existence, guiding you towards a life of profound meaning, resilience, and inner peace.